Oh my God, did I swing the bat? I bought this unit yesterday right behind me. It's a 5x10. I wasn't even buying yesterday, but one of my friends messaged me and he said, are you buying this? And I said, yeah. I didn't even know I was buying. It made me just go, don't ever message me on auction day and ask me, because you're getting me in there. Anyway, something made me want it. Here it is, E31. What I'm most excited about is I just found out this has been sitting here for 30 years, which makes this the potential of possibly the greatest one of these type of units I've ever bought. Let's show it, Michael. This is all you could see, right? This is all you could see. What do you see right here? What are those boxes? Those are comic boxes, right? That's all you could see. Pure gamble. Don't know what. The thing we saw was that number 75. Now, let's do the most important thing. Let's just take off the front box, right? Let's just take it off, because you can't even see nothing. What is in this first box? Shut the front door, bro. Is that already something cool? We gotta see this. Come on, baby. I'm juiced. Can you tell that my mood has changed, Michael?
What do you think it is?
This is a very nice musical instrument. Because there's a box up there that says ESP30. That's for a guitar. What is this, though? What is this, Michael?
I couldn't even say. A double guitar.
Oh, wow.
I could have never guessed a double guitar.
It is an Ovation. Who makes this?
I don't even know. I've never seen a double guitar.
Right off the bat, double electric guitar, double whammy.
It's electric too.
Double. Oh, look at that. It's the Tickle Me Elmo 10th anniversary edition. Bro, come on. We're gonna tickle him? It's brand new.
It's probably a good eBay sale.
Yeah, Tickle Me Elmo. Let's go ahead. Come on in. What's the next box? What do you think it is?
Video game.
Toys? Video game? I'll be happy with that. Yes. I just like the way it looks. I don't know what it is, but it just got the vibe, you know? Ooh, there's a bit. Look at that thing. 30 years deep sitting here. We're hours from home. Okay, we're about an hour. Oh. It's a Sasquatchian. I'm juiced. I'm just like right now I'm juiced because I was dead inside trying to figure out what I bought. And now I see there's potential. Oh yes, Warriors, Davis, signed with the COA. We're back, baby, we're back. We're back.
These all signed?
I don't think they're all signed, but I'm just saying we're back.
Okay, that was another signed thing.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Talk about the longest box ever. So I think what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna load this up and bring this back to the warehouse. We'll do a little bit of filming here, but the idea is to bring this back. There's nothing in it.
Just a case.
Oh, it's like a watch case. Okay. What's the last box? Do you think it's anything?
Same thing, probably.
We're gonna get the trailer all squared away. We're gonna take some videos. Oh, you're absolutely correct, Michael. Look.
Bang.
That's another autograph thing, and there is a COE right here. What's on the COE?
AT&T
Autograph mini helmet. Congratulations, home turf, accepting the prize. It doesn't say the guy. All right. Oh, it goes back there. It goes back. I already just tell you, this unit's been sitting here for 30 years. I can read my units, and I'm feeling this is going to be a good one. I just feel it. I don't know what's in here. Okay, look. When's the last time we got some of these? That's actually really good. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What? Michael, you got your Google machine? Google this real quick.
I don't have my phone on me.
Oh, doesn't matter. They could be real good. Let's see. 25, 50, 250. But look, this one is Dungeons and Dragons.
It's a couple $100 box.
I'd say it's a couple $100 box. I see like several basic set one. This one could be good. Which one? Why?
I don't look like it.
75.
This one.
43. I'm thinking that's a good box. Let's just get some. Man, oh man. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm getting it. I would just take your. Oh. I don't know what I got.
That looks just like super old.
Let's just look it up. That looks like the
89.
The original Wolverine there. No, it wouldn't be the original one.
When did Wolverine come out?
It's only like $10, but still.
Oh, because this is the uncanny one too. So it's not like, I don't think the uncanny ones are crazy, right?
Yeah, we got a lot. We got a, but Michael, 30 years, we could have,
This is a great box.
you're gonna just load these in the, there's not gonna be a rhyme or reason. I have a feeling this is a whole collection. So don't stress on how it loads. First comic box, Alpha Flight, super, oh my. Shut the front door, bro. That's good.
Number one.
It's not number one, but it's Action Comics. It's really good shape. This is gonna be good. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's another guitar. Oh. That's not a 5x10, but I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm happy it's decent. Look, the 30th anniversary right here.
You're gonna pull it out.
I don't not okay. Digital mini lamp. That's weird. That's not what we want to see, but it's all right.
Probably not.
Spy camera. I want to see more boxes like that. The first few boxes that came out, but I see a lot of comics. I see a lot of comics, so we have potential. Madagascar. Jeans. Books. Burger King stuff. Okay, now we're getting back into something cool. Travelers Rules. You like those games? That's actually what it is. A Gatorade 5-gallon bucket. That's cool. Vintage shirts. Yeah. Camel. You know, 20. Maybe $15, $20 bill on those, but those are pretty fire. Trying to just get this done with so we can get on the road. Guru's Horror. This could be a good box, actually. Looks weird. Star League, Battletech, Mega Traveler, GURPS Horror. All right. Okay, and here we go. We're getting some more figures here. I like seeing that. I like seeing that. Football helmet. Okay, how to trade for riches. Maybe a baby blanket. Blanket. Never opened up a bag like this and it was just $100 bills. Daredevil. You're just going like 2 or 3 boxes tall, right?
You can go look if you want. Yeah, it's popping. That's 110 back.
Ooh. The Star Wars guy? No. Oh, okay. That's kind of neat. These are older. And, alright. All this is good to go. Some fireworks. And it's actual printer paper right here. What do you think this is? Tell me.
It's a Neo Geo thing, I think.
What?
It's a remake one, I think. I scanned Neo. Oh, it's with PSP is scanned.
That's not what was in there. It was this. Does this say 14 karat gold or anything?
Online prize. You like won it.
Goes back in that envelope. Books. Okay. DC cards. Okay.
Huh? Oh, there's something good.
Oh, tomorrow. Yeah, it's alright.
You got it. Okay, this could be a good box right here. This one box right here. Look at all these adventures. Wow. This is a nice little box right here. I would take the time to look up every one of these on the bay. But that is a good little box. It is just Dungeons and Dragons. 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $50 boxes of comics. Will there be a good one?
It's not his money to refund. That money is above and beyond what the tenant owes. So for him to refund you would be unlawful. So you either have to just refund the whole thing or keep it as is. Because that's the law.
Let's just refund the whole thing then.
Okay.
Let's just do the whole thing.
Okay.
We'll put it all back in there.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know how it happened.
Yeah, that's it sucks. All right, I'm gonna start loading it back up, Michael. Huh?
It's pretty tightly packed too.
All right, guys, so what you saw here is basically, I wouldn't call it a scam, but there was no way I was sticking to it. They basically told me that the unit was a 5x10, so that makes up for a lot of space on what we're gonna bid on. I would stuck with the unit if it was a 5x10 because there would be twice as much volume, but I bid what I bid based on the volume. When I started unloading and I got towards the back, I found out it's like a 5x4.5. Not cutting it with me. I went and asked them why they did that, because you guys should have a better approximation. The lady realized there was an error. I told her they should give me half my money back or do something to fix this. And their only option was for me to keep the unit for $7,000 basically, or give it all back. And I just said, screw it. I'm going to give it all back to you because I'm not going to take that. It was some cool stuff in there. Would have made, I don't know if I would have made my money back if it was twice the size and continuing to be more of what was in there. Definitely would have probably been worth $7,000, but there was no way. So I just didn't like it. I hope you guys understand. We got to have some truth in this business. That's what I try to be. So I gave it back to him, drove off, and got my whole money back refunded, and everything was clean. They resold it, and I think it went for like $5,000. If you bought this unit, let me know if the things were in there. I have a feeling the unit was rearranged. It did not look the same as I left it. So if you bought this unit, let me know if that unit was gone through by the facility. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and say something pretty. Oh yeah, guys, we're on a mission. We've already bought like 12 units this year. We're coming back strong this year, 2026, baby.